Welcome to the video tutorial series of Simpow. In this video, we will guide you through an exercise on how to use the small signal analysis tools in Simpow. First, we open Simpow. If the directory is not already set, we select the current working directory from Settings. We then start up Simpow. As was done in the Simpow exercise, we load the PowerFlow result file obtained from our previous OptPow run. Next, we select the Simpow input file. Task 1 wants us to change the generator exciters to constant field voltage control. Therefore, we must edit the input file. To change the generator exciters to constant field voltage control, change the value of the Vreg parameter to 0. Save the changes and close the text editor to complete task 1. Next, start up Simpow. Task 2 wants us to calculate the eigenvalues of the power system at the initial operating point. Therefore, we do not start the simulation at this point. To calculate eigenvalues, start up the linear analysis tool by clicking Linear and then Linear Analyze. In this window, all linear analysis tools can be found. Open the eigenvalue calculation tool by clicking Eigen and then Compute Eigenvalues and press Compute all eigenvalues. We can improve the eigenvalues using the inverse method by selecting all eigenvalues and then pressing the Improve Eigenvalue button. We can see that all eigenvalues are in the left half plane. This indicates that the system is stable at the initial operating point. To view eigenvalues which correspond to rotor angle modes of oscillation, we view only the complex eigenvalues. Select Only Complex in the filter box and press Redo List. These three pairs of complex conjugate eigenvalues correspond to rotor angle modes of oscillation. This concludes task 2. In the next task, modal analysis is to be performed. To do this, we select an eigenvalue of interest in the list. In the main window, we can see that the eigenvalue has been selected. Next, start up the modal analysis tool by clicking Modal, Modal Analysis. Press Compute to get the result. We can see that generator G1 and G2 are swinging against generator G3 and G4. This indicates an inter-area mode of oscillation with a frequency of 0.57 Hz. This procedure can be repeated for the other eigenvalues as well to determine the rest of the modes. In task 4, participation factors are to be calculated. Open the participation factors tool by clicking Modal, Participation Factors and press Compute. The results are shown in the main window. To do task 5, simply change the Vreg parameter back to 1 and redo the calculations. This concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.